Hi everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about the Laplace, inverse Laplace of logarithmic function L inverse of log of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. The functions both comes in the numerator and the denominator. This problem is solved only using only one formula, that is L inverse of f of s equal to minus 1 by t into L inverse of f dash of s. That is, this is totally inverse Laplace transform technique. That is opposite of differentiation. See this formula: L inverse of f of s. L inverse of f of s. Actually, in Laplace transform of the function is given. Laplace transform of the function is given. All are in terms of s. So L inverse of f of s. Now our f of s is log of this function. Log of this function is our f of s. This can be solved by minus 1 by t. Minus 1 by t, it is sufficient to find the inverse Laplace of f dash of s. It is sufficiently to find the inverse Laplace of f dash of s. Then this f dash of s can be rewrite as d by ds of the function. D by ds of the function. Now come to the problem. This is our given problem. The given problem is applicable to for this formula. Using this formula, I am writing minus 1 by t outside of the inverse Laplace transform. So, L inverse of this f dash of s can be rewrite as d by ds. For differentiation, I put d by ds, and then our given function log of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. So, what I want to solve is, it is enough to find the logarithm of this function after the differentiation of the obtained answer, at last taking the inverse Laplace. The three steps. Similarly, three steps: logarithm of this function, differentiation of this one, and then minus 1 by t multiplied by minus 1 by t. Now, see the solution. How can we solve this problem? See the solution. Now, what is our d by ds? D by ds of consider d by ds of the function logarithm of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. This is our given function. Logarithm of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. So, this is equal to d by ds. We kept d by ds as it is. Then, what is the formula for log a by b? What is log a by b? Log of a by b equal to log of a by b equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. At the same time, log of a b equal to, this formula is familiar. Log of a b equal to log a plus log b. We are applying these two formula in this step, log a plus log b. So d by ds of, now log of a by b. How can we write? Log a, that is log of s minus 5 minus log of b. Log a minus log b. Log of s plus 6 into s minus 2. So this is our first step. Then this can be rewrite as d by ds of log of s minus 5 minus, this is a, this is b. What is log a b formula? Log a plus log b. So log of a, log a, s plus 6 log a plus log b. But this minus is common for both the two terms. So minus log s minus 2, because this minus is common for both the two terms. So this is our obtained formula, obtained answer. Then what can we do? Apply differentiation. Apply differentiation. How can we apply the differentiation? This is for log AB formula, log of A by B and log AB formula. So these two formulas applied in this step, log A by log B and then log AB. After that, what is the differentiation of logarithmic function? Differentiation of logarithmic function formula. differentiation of logarithmic function. Differentiation of log x. What is differentiation of log x? Equal to 1 by x. Differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. Therefore, so continue the solution. Differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. So with this formula, differentiation of log s minus 5, 1 by s minus 5. Because we are differentiating with respect to s, the function is also s minus log, log of s plus 6 is equal to differentiation of log of s plus 6, 1 by s plus 6, and differentiation of log of s minus 2, 1 by s minus 2. So this is our one step. This is one step. Then finally, we need L inverse of what we need. The given problem, they are giving L inverse of, they are giving L inverse of, in the problem they are giving L inverse of log of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. So, what is the formula? In the first step, I say tell the formula clearly. So, what is our formula? Let us see the formula one more time. So, minus 1 by t, minus 1 by t. This formula, this is multiplied by minus 1 by t, and then L inverse of f dash of f of s. L inverse of dash of f of s. So, L inverse of f dash of f of s. Then last step, see the last step here. L inverse of log of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. This cancel. This will be the final answer. We are multiplying by minus 1 by t in the front, minus 1 by t, and then our obtained answer, what is our obtained answer? 1 by s minus 5, 1 by s plus 6, and then 1 by s minus 2, 1 by s minus 2. Then in front we have to apply L inverse, we have to apply L inverse. Then what is once again I rightly clear right clear, minus 1 by t, L inverse of 1 by s minus 5, because L inverse is common for all the terms, you know. So L inverse of 1 by s minus 5, L inverse of 1 by s plus 6, then L inverse of 1 by s minus 2. Okay, 1 by s minus 2. Then what is our formula for L inverse of 1 by s minus a? Let us write the formula. What is our formula here? So let us write the formula here. What is L inverse of 1 by s minus a in general, e power at, e power at. Similarly, L inverse of 1 by s plus a equal to e power minus at. With the help of these two formula, at last write the final answer for the given sum. So the given problem is equal to minus 1 by t. What is our first? Instead of a we are having 5, so this will be e power 5t. Instead of a we are having 6, so minus e power minus 6t, and then minus e power 2t. If it is minus, you have to write plus, and if it is plus, you have to write minus. So minus 2 e power 2t. This is our final answer. This is the final answer. L inverse of log of s minus 5 divided by s plus 6 into s minus 2. This is our answer. So we continue in next class. Thank you.